Hey campers, what do you say we do some chicken and waffles over the campfire? I've got my waffle iron here. I got the Dutch oven on top of the fire warming up. Then all we have to do is prep a couple of things and we'll be cooking. Let's start with, I've got the chicken right here. Actually, I'm going to use wings because I don't know, I felt like it. And then I got some pancake batter that I always have bagged up, ready to mix up. There's enough in here. You just take this bag, add 1 cup of water, see it, and then for waffles you just add a little bit of oil. So got that. We're gonna need to dredge the chicken in some flour. So I've got myself a baggie here. Gotta get my flour. Gonna take my measuring spoon. Don't have too much chicken, so I'll probably only need like a half a cup. So that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. That's more than enough. Okay. Then we're gonna put a little bit of seasoning in it. I've got my pre-mixed seasonings here. I can't decide between rib rub or Louisiana Cajun. The rib rub has a lot of paprika in it, and the other one is a lot of different peppers and garlic and things like that. But you know what I think I'm gonna do? I'm gonna use them both. So I got them both ready to shake out here. We're gonna add some seasonings. Okay. Let's shake it up. Now, we're gonna take our chicken. Now that Dutch oven, it's got about 1.5 inches of oil in it. I've had it on the fire now for a while. It's heating up slowly. Almost there. Because we're gonna do the chicken and the waffles over the same fire. There. Seal these up. We'll shake this up. Okay, these are nice coated. Set that off to the side till we're ready to deep fry them. Got to get some pancake batter going. Actually, not pancake, waffle. And a couple pine needles fell in there, but they came right out. So, get my waffle, pancake / waffle mix here. I don't need this whole thing because it's just me. So I'm going to put about half of it in there. Three. Yeah, that should be plenty. This pancake mix just mixes with water, so that makes it easy. Like I said, the only difference between pancake and waffle mix is a little bit of vegetable oil. And then this one you just add water, which I just happen to have right here. We'll measure in some water. If you think it's too thick or thin, so you know what to do. And it's going to need some oil, so I'll measure some oil in. There you go. Now we got waffle mix. This a little bit on the thin side because Might be a little bit before we actually make the waffles, and this is going to thicken up as it sits. And see, it's pretty thin right now, but it's going to be just right by the time we start doing our waffles. Okay, we're ready to go put this stuff on the fire. And we'll put this waffle iron right there, start warming up. You'll notice I have another fry pan back there because we'll want to get the chicken done first and then do the waffles. See where we're at here. Our oil, 340. Nice. So move that off and we can drop our chicken in. Just start easing those in. You're gonna want some tongs. Oh yeah. Give you a little closer view here. Frying along fine. Looking good, just starting to brown up a little right now. Been about 15 minutes. Let me pan back a little bit. And we're gonna move this chicken into my warming pan. The lid on the Dutch oven. Take that off to the side to a safe place. Now we can keep our chicken warm. Let's get these waffles cooked here. We gotta get this thing up to temp. Really need at least 330 to 380 degrees. We got our waffle mix ready to go. Get this opened up. Get some waffle batter in there. Close this up. Flip it over. All right, let's take a peek. Well, other than the fact that I split it the first time I tried to take a peek, they're done. Now to get it out. Yeah. Probably could have used a little more batter when I made it, but we're looking okay for a camping waffle. There. Like that. Let's get some chicken with that. Get some chicken here. Yeah. What do you think of that? There you go. Chicken and waffles. I'm gonna go enjoy it. Alright, all I have to do now is enjoy it. I got myself some butter here for my waffles and some syrup. Got me a fork right here. Coffee. Let's check out this chicken, see if it's cooked. Oh yeah, and I like that special seasoning mix that I carefully measured out, as you saw. But yeah, it's cooked through. All the way through. This is actually the first time I've ever had chicken and waffles together. And now I see why it's so popular. It's good. You get a little bit of chicken bite in your mouth, and then grab some waffle with honey And those two blend together like, I don't know what, like, but it's good. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this and get on to other things. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you later.